Hey everyone, welcome to my Brita Large 10 cup water filter review. Inside this video, I'm going to show you how to set up this water filter. And then after that, I'm going to tell you my thoughts about this water filter. This water filter right here is going to provide you up to 10 cups of filtered drinking water. First thing you have to do before you start using this, however, is take it apart. So what we want to do is we want to pop this lid off of the top, just like so. And then you want to take this out here as well. This is the water basin that's going to filter out the water. And then you have the filter at the bottom here. You want to go ahead and open up this package and rinse out this filter for about 15 seconds in your sink before you start using this water pitcher. Okay, now that we have rinsed out our water filter, let's go ahead and put together this Brita 10 cup water filter. So go ahead and set in the water basin right here. And then you want to take this and make sure that it sets beneath the seal line. If you push it down, you can feel it going beneath the seal line, and that means that it's going to seal and none of the unfiltered water is going to seep through that seal line. Now take the top of the lid here and simply just set it on top. It'll snap into place, and now your water filter is ready to use. That's one thing that I really did appreciate about this Brita water filter, is how simple it is to just rinse and start using right away. There's not any kind of complex instructions. All you do is simply set in the water filter, and then you can pour water in and start using this filter. It's seamless and it's very easy to use. I have 6 cups of water right here. Let's go ahead and pour it into the water filter and see how long it takes to filter out this water completely. Okay, we just poured our water in, and you can see already that it's starting to filter out the water at a pretty fast pace. The water filter has 4 little nozzles that allows it to filter the water pretty quickly, in my opinion. It's only been about 30 seconds, and we have at least 2 cups of water in there already. So that's about a third of the amount that we poured in. So we could expect this to completely filter out 6 cups of water in about 2 minutes, give or take. Brita also includes this little tab here to allow you to check off the different months that you need to replace these filters. These filters right here last for about 2 months or 40 gallons worth of water. It'll take about 6 of those filters to last you an entire year of filtered water while using this Brita water filter. I personally think that's quite a long time for a filter to last, and I haven't had any issues replacing them. Like we saw in this video, it's really simple and fast to replace the water filters and add a new one, so it's not that much of a hassle. And that's what I really appreciate about these Brita water filters, is the simplicity, the quickness that it filters out the water, and the amount of water that I'm getting. I'm getting 10 cups of water from this water filter, and that's gonna last me most of the day. So overall, I think that Brita does a great job with this water filter. It's well made, it seals nicely so you don't have any leakage from the seal line right there, and it also just provides better tasting water. I have found that the water that I drink from the Brita filter absolutely tastes better than tap water. So overall, I recommend this water filter for everyday use. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you enjoyed it.